So the Kids Cancer Project was founded by Cole Reynolds over 30 years ago. In that time we've contributed over $75 million to funding of research projects. And what makes the Kids Cancer Project a little bit different is we actually fund research projects for all different types of childhood cancers, and we also fund research projects that sit all the way along the cancer continuum. And what I mean by that is we fund projects that are discovery, looking for new innovative treatments at the bench side. We also fund projects that are translate. We're looking at moving ideas from the bench into the clinic, into patients, helping patients. And we also fund projects that really are about improving the outcomes for children with cancer, not just the disease, but also making sure they have a better quality of life, that they don't suffer from late effects that the cancer treatment causes. So we have a real encompassing research portfolio that allows us to be able to make a difference in terms of the outcomes of children with cancer. So we see that there's a real value in funding research, and we see that there's longevity in that, building not only funding research projects but building leaders in this space as well, so we can have a continued effort in continually improving the outcome for kids. We have projects that are funded in every state of Australia, as well as working collaboratively with ANZCHOG, the clinical trials, Children's Oncology Clinical Trials Consortium, where we help fund clinical trials nationally and allow access for children to access clinical trials that are available internationally as well. So what we're hoping to build is continue to build on a research foundation so that we can continually improve the outcomes for these children with cancer. I think the impact that the Kids Cancer Project has been able to see is that over the last 20 years the survival rates for childhood cancer have certainly improved. There's still some ways to go, so it's really important that we continue that momentum and that we still build our research fellows, our research leaders in this space, so that we can continue to improve the outcomes for children with cancer that are a little bit harder to treat, and make sure we're constantly improving the quality of life. I feel really proud to be able to be in an organisation that can give back, really proud to be in an organisation that can support researchers, because I understand the challenges in that space and I understand how fundamentally important that work is. What the Kids Cancer Project does is it supports great ideas and it helps seed fund those great ideas so they can turn into treatments that are going to be really beneficial for children and their families. And I think what we also do really well is advocacy. I think awareness is really important in this space. So we fund research, but we're also a voice for the researchers. We're also a voice for the families in terms of changing policy and increasing awareness so that we can raise more money collectively and make a bigger difference as a group in this childhood cancer sector.